My paper is about the institutional protection over drug trafficking and how this protection allowed the most important drug organization in Mexico during the 1980s and 1990s to grow up, how the people that was part of this organization have strong ties to high-ranking Mexican officials and important businessmen. Its most important findings is that this has been a sort of permanent pattern of protection of organized crime in Mexico. It was not just the case of a single administration, but a pattern that endured several decades and may be also present today. I think that the most interesting point of my research is how you can prove this kind of relationships using public documents. They are available in the National Archives of Mexico. They're also available in the courts of the United States, federal courts. So what you can prove with this is how this has been a permanent trend in terms of relationships between usual or traditional criminals and also politicians, military officers, and police officers as well. So I think that you cannot understand organized crime if not, of Mexican organized crime, I mean, if you are not taking into account these kind of relationships. I think that in practical terms, the reason why this investigation is important, this kind of research is important, it is because if you are considering development policies, you are usually having for granted that the high-ranking officials within government are also sharing the interest of pursuing a public goal. But what this case shows is that you cannot have that for granted. You need to conduct research before knowing what kind of policy are you implementing and with what kind of partners you are implementing it.